Alright friends, so this is about my one-on-one GMAT Quant course which I am taking on the VISIC. I am going to take you through with the content of this course and how this course can help you to actually achieve your goals and get a very good GMAT score. Okay, before I talk about my course, I have a public course on GMAT running. It's the GMAT study group. You can check it out and you can join that course. It's free, it's for public, anybody can join in. The classes for this will end like in the month of July or August. So in this small video I'm going to take you through with my course of GMAT Quant. I'm going to talk about this course and about the flexibilities and the options that you get with this course. I'm going to talk about the major areas and how I am going to approach those areas in this course, and I'm going to also talk about the sources and the resources that I'm going to cover in this course. So this is a 1 month course on the GMAT Quant, can be molded as per your requirement, and we'll be covering many questions from the GMAT official guides, the official quant reviews, the GMAT Nova Bibles and other books as well. And we are going to look at all types of questions from easy to tough and to applied. And I'll show you the solution of each of these questions, and I'll also show you the alternative solution so that we have a deeper understanding. The classes that I take are extendable from 1 hour to up to 2 hours daily. Beside that, we have the longer classes on the weekends. Now you need to buy the requisite books to attend this course. Okay, the most important feature of this course is about its flexibility and the kind of options that it provides you. Now, in case you are working somewhere, you don't get time, you can have a class at your preferred timing from 5 a.m. up to 11 p.m. with me one-on-one on VISIC, and you can actually make your own curriculum on how you would like to move ahead, the days which you would like to have the class, and your own speed. Okay, if you were to like skip the things and directly move on to like the toughest possible question from the starting, we can do those things as well. So it's up to you. It's a very flexible course. You can make your own plans and your own targets with me, and we generally make a file on Google Doc and update it, both you and me, so that we know what's going on and how you're getting the course. Okay, now I am taking some public classes, public sessions on data sufficiency and GMAT Quant. You can attend those classes to get a feel of how this online teaching works. Now, talking more about this flexibility and the kind of freedom that you get in this course is that you can have any type of model with you. If you would like to have 2 classes, if you would like to have 4 classes in a week, on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, you can have 4 classes. It's like a 4 hour in a week. If you would like to have like a 3 hour class on Sunday with these 4 classes, you can do that. If you would like to have just 2 classes in the week and then an extreme class of 3 to 5 hours on weekend, then you can do that. So what this is giving you is a freedom to have your own speed to cover the questions, and you never are going to miss any part with the class. So the class is going to be according to your speed. The strategy file is shared with you on the Google Docs. So the student and myself, I generally keep it updated so that I know how things are moving on. So let me talk about the major areas and how I am going to take these areas. In the Quant GMAT course, I am going to talk about some very practical aspects, because all of these things are going to be applied in management, in business. So all of these topics should be looked upon as some topics which we are going to see in the business and in the MBA studies that we plan to do. So starting with the arithmetic, which has got shades and evolutions of numbers, the integers, the natural numbers, the fractions, the modulus and all those kind of things, and how we can use them And then the algebra, which is really a multi-dimensional analysis. We have the quadratic equation, the two dimensions of the quadratic equation, looking at the graphs and understanding how quadratic equation behaves, things like that. In geometry, I'm going to build a special intuition so that you can predict the range of values. So if you are given a figure, and if you are given some of the data, then you can actually predict the kind of answer that you are going to get, somewhere close to that. Then about the data sufficiency, it's not about just solving. It's about knowing whether we can solve it. A computer can solve the problem for you, so can your assistant. But if you need to know whether the data is enough and that data would be sufficient to solve the question for not. So that's an interesting thing which we are going to look at and develop some intuition. Then we have a permutation combination. It's a very fun based subject and a game, so it would be like a real situation or real scenario which you would be put into, and you will learn permutation and combination. Coming to probability and statistic, the only area which is having application in all fields, from engineering to business to politics to any other thing what you can think of, the probability and statistics. It's again a very interesting area. We are going to look it and understand it by concepts and how it works in management as well. So I'll try to talk about real things. I'll try to talk about things which go on in the business studies, and I'll try to link it down here itself, and with those knowledge and with that kind of a mentality and that kind of an enthusiasm, we are going through the questions of the GMAT Quant. The word problems are like the rate problems, the work, the mixture, interest, profit loss, sets and Venn diagram, and data interpretation. Again, very important areas. Now, a special feature of this course would be the toughest possible levels. It's a kind of series where I'll take you through with the toughest possible question. As I told you, we can have also the entire course build up of the toughest possible question if you would like to. So that's the kind of flexibility that you get in this course. So we can start with the tough questions, the very tough questions of probability, the very toughest possible question, and this would be like at the end of the course where we'll actually move beyond the level of GMAT and do more tough questions than what we can actually expect. So this would be a set of like 120 very tough questions that we are going to do in the GMAT Quant course. Okay, then we'll do the questions of the GMAT prep and your queries if you have any problems in any question, and tough problems of the GMAT prep. Now I've tried to build this course on some text which you need to buy from the respective publishers. So it would start with the official GMAT guide, all questions of official GMAT guide, all question of official quant review, the Nova Math Bible, and the prep question. And beside these things, we'll look at very tough questions as well. You can check out the old recordings at Vizik.com and on YouTube. You can make an account on Vizik and join my public GMAT course and go to courseware and check out the old recording to understand how this online system goes. So this is a very effective one-on-one course on GMAT, a very flexible and personalized course which you can mold according to your needs. It's one-on-one attention to keep yourself motivated, and I'll be there with you throughout the course to keep you motivated and to help you to get to your target. So this course is going to also cover 100% of the official books that are published by the GMAT board. So this is about my one-on-one course on GMAT Quant. If you still have any doubts, you can have some demo classes with me. You can email me your preferred time at shivgantri@gmail.com and have some demo classes of some of the areas, or try to build a strategy for yourself with me, and try to implement a module with me. So that's of course an option. You can email me and you can check out some of the things with me. Okay, if you have any other doubts, you can email me, or you can add me on Gtalk or Yahoo, or you can check out my website for the presentations of the classes and other free stuff which is related to this course. Okay, so thank you for watching this very small video on my one-on-one GMAT quant course, and I hope you found it useful. Thank you.